Hello and welcome. I'm at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart, not Dusseldorf. That's Caravan Salon. Got here in front of me a Malibu Genius, introduced for the 2025 season. This is said to be a Genius because it's got a bit stuck on the end. 40 centimeters at the end of this vehicle. This Campervan, we'll have a look at that towards the end. Something like this, you are looking at 130,000 euros. It is right, so it's the Mercedes Sprinter base, so that's 593, stuck 40 centimeters on the end of that, so that's how long it is. 593 plus 40. What is the sense of doing something like that? The sense is the following: Mercedes doesn't make an intermediate van, as does Fiat Ducato or as does Peugeot, as does Citroen, measuring 636 centimeters. This one here is therefore to make up that shortfall. What it does, therefore, it allows you to use the 6-meter Mercedes Sprinter as though it were a 636 centimeter equivalent, although it's slightly shorter than that. What does this mean? It means you can get in the back this lengthwise bed layout with allowing more stuff to be held up front. And the idea here, you can see, as they did in Dusseldorf, they put a couple of bikes, off-road bikes, down there just to demonstrate what can be done. Now, as it is a car to go, or should I say a Malibu, it has the Malibu DNA put into it. It's got the car to go bits like this wardrobe down here, and over this side we've got the storage. We've got the lengthwise bed. This is a German style layout, which you can also lift this up here like that, so you've got more storage down there, and I shall do it on this side as well. Ooh, that's a bit more difficult. More storage there. See, as far as storage goes, it's not too bad. And also see there's more drawers down here. Push that down. That's a bit tight. And also got the rear window. This is profiled towards the back. That much space inside. Can't see the point of putting a ledge in at all, just a waste of space as far as I'm concerned. Get rid of the ledge, put in some soft pockets instead. Slit window at either side, and over here, let's pull this down, so you can see actually what it looks like. You may not like the tires coming through like that. I don't know. Actually, even for me, I think that would be a problem. Storage there. And anyway, let's come and see the rest of it. As you can see in the Malibu vans, the other ones on the Ducato, we've got storage up here like that. We've got a fridge below, down here like that. Coming into the washroom, whoops, that sort of fits there. I think it's meant to fit there, but it's rather, I don't know if it's going to stay there. Where's the toilet? Oh dear, somebody's pinched the toilet. It's could it be down here? Oh, it is. There it is. Found the toilet. Toilet slides out as and when it's needed. There's a magnet on there, which is quite strong. The shower, okay. Is that big enough for you? Well, you can make it a bit bigger. As you can see, we've got this bit here, down here, which will move out if you want to have that out. And also, we've got here a sink. So it's trying to be, how should I put it, economical with space. Is that fair enough? It's trying to use space to the max. I think that's the idea. If you've got that under the chair, it's sort of a toilet's out the way. My problem with this is, what if you're really desperate to go, as does tend to happen from time to time, and then you can't get in because it's got stuck when you're sliding it out. Now, I need to point out that nobody's complained to me about a Malibu not sliding out, yet but I'm sure it's going to happen. On the other hand, in the P-Lock group, which of course is a completely different company, nothing to do with Cartago, and that is a common problem. Now here we've got this dressing room sort of layout here. This will come out. I think it's meant to go over there, and the point of this is to sort of make a separate shower room out here. Does that work or not? What do you think? Well, okay, depends what you want, really. I suppose it does in a way. There's another way of doing this sort of thing, and that is to have the shower in the center of the van, and that layout is sort of making a comeback. Right, so we've seen that now. Right, kitchen here is quite elegant, as you'd expect in something like this. You've got here, you've got 2 burners there. You've got a sink here. Comes in 2 parts. Got a big domestic drainage there. You've got storage down here. Big drawer there. A forward-facing bench. Toilet under, or the cassette. Well, not the whole. No, sorry, the whole thing's under it. And very similar, as you can see, in other Cartago Malibu models up here. Plenty of space up there. Very nice indirect lighting. Looking down from here, that's the view inside. Now I'm going to go towards the back, and okay, there you see innovative rear extension and the new Malibu Genius. So you can see where the innovative rear extension is. It's this thing here, and that's what it does. You can put 2 bikes in there if you take the wheels off. Personally, I would rather have a bike carrier stuck on the end. That's just me. I don't like taking the wheels off. Those that don't mind, well, fair enough, you don't mind. We've got in here, there's the gas cabinet, and that's what it looks like down there. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you another one, which is over here, and comes in this color as well. The 641 LE. Oh, this one appears to have some problem, so I'm not going in that one. But as you can see, there's 2 different colors to it. I can, of course, though, show you the rear end. This rear end has been done slightly differently. This is an option, of course, but here, rather than have the bicycles, we've got this organizational system, and that, I think for many users, could possibly be better, and you can still stick your bike rack on the back. For those of you who are cyclists, these things, you've got to keep your stuff when you're camping in some kind of an order, so you know where things are. I'm unable to say how easy it is or not to get to the gas cabinet, but I think it'll be something you can do with just one hand. Now, I have my doubts as to this, but other people have told me they think it's super innovative and a really good idea. My problem is this: paying 30% extra for the a bit in the end. Well, I can't really see the point. Anyway, never mind about that. Thanks for watching. Write your opinion below, and bye for now.